This hat is so bomb. If you guys have been feeling unmotivated to get your life together, then keep on watching. Winter is here and it's time to reset. Winter is always the time where I change my life the most because I'm inside most of the time. So I'm locking in, I'm staying inside, and I'm realizing what I really want to do with my life. So resetting is so important because we get to start fresh. So today we're going to be creating our dream routine, aka a winter arc routine. We're also going to be decluttering and organizing my closet. It's crazy right now. There's so many things in there that I don't even wear anymore, and I know when my closet and my drawers are messy, I feel like my life is messy. But before anything, we're gonna go work out, because no matter what your goals are, working out should be a part of your routine. It keeps you healthy, confident, disciplined, looking good, and feeling good. So let's go work out. Just washed mushrooms. I love making a healthy breakfast, because if you think about it, as long as you make sure to eat a healthy breakfast, 1/3 of the meals you eat are healthy. Okay, I just did my everyday makeup as fast as possible. This is for sure a habit that I need to stop in 2025, and it's taking so long. Taking forever to film, taking forever to do everything. I overthink about everything and I end up doing nothing. And it's so freaking annoying, because at the end of the day, like right now, I'm like running out of sunlight and of time basically, because I don't have I used to have a light box for light, but it stopped working, so I need to hurry up. I'm gonna be trying some Opali items I've ordered. I ordered them for Christmas. Look at how cute my cat looks. Oh, I woke you up from your nap. I'm sorry. Okay, so the first one I'm trying on is this one. I'll put a picture right here, but let's try her on. This is really cute, but it's really see-through. You can see like my ribs, you can see everything, kind of. Okay, I love this dress. The other piece, I love it as well. It's giving everything I wanted. It's probably just not a good attire for what I wanted to use. So for like a Christmas party where there's family, I'm not used to wearing stuff like that around my family. But look at this dress. So freaking pretty. You can adjust this. This is more of a like 2-person job. I'm scared I'm going to like pinch myself, but closing it fully would probably add a lot to how it looks. Okay, from the side it looks really cute. Okay, now that my drawer is free and clear from the Opali things, let's look into my closet. So it's filled to the brim, top and bottom. Oh, ya se me quitó las ganas. I don't have any more motivation to like try on things that I feel like I don't like. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make energy. Show everyone how crazy you're going. This is my cat. Her name is Baby. First, actually, I'm gonna call my sister because I'm pretty sure she's on her way from work. And I'm gonna ask her if she can bring us some coffee.
I can go to Big Fat.
Just get me like a caramel latte. He was trying to bite me with oat milk. Why was my cat trying to attack me? While my sister gets here, I'm gonna just try the easiest things I possibly can. And I want to start with this. How are these again? How do you wear these again? Oh yeah, I used to wear these in middle school. Would I wear this? This is really cute, I'm not gonna lie. It's very comfy, but will I wear it? She brought me coffee. But for aesthetically pleasing reasons, I'm actually going to clean my closet out tomorrow when there's sunlight. But for now, we're going to plan. Just because the lighting looks so much better like this, let's get to it. Let's make our dream girl. So we're going to bring out a journal, whatever journal you want. This is the journal I have. So a winter arc is actually a challenge, and you were supposed to start it off, or we were supposed to start it in October, but I feel like winter is the time for rebirth, you know? I feel like we should be doing it in winter. Every single day you have to do this routine, and within a month it's gonna be easier and you can change it. First, I want to help you guys realize who this dream person is. What is your biggest goal? What does your biggest goal look like? Do you want to own your own hair salon? Do you want to be a huge YouTuber? Do you want to be an actress? Do you want to be an ice skater? Like, what is your biggest dream? And what would her routine look like? As of right now, obviously you have a current job, and because of this current job you can't go and ice skate for hours because you need this job. So what's little steps that can take you a little closer to that dream? And 100% that's how you can make a more realistic dream routine. So yeah, let me create mine. So I'm done, but everything is in pencil. It's pretty short because I feel like I don't want a long morning routine. Or should I change this into a daily routine? Oh, yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little more things. Okay guys, not gonna lie, I got distracted by my phone. I saw this TikTok and it was talking about how on ChatGPT she looked up like a day in my life, wanting to do XX this as someone who XX. And that's exactly what I did. So you put in what you want to achieve, and then as like someone who works a 9 to 5 or something like that, and it will give you the recipe. So for me, what is suggested for me to do is actually work out later on in the day and film and edit earlier in the morning. So for my routine, I said go to the gym in the morning. But the thing with that is, now that I'm looking at it, because I wrote everything down, and as I wrote them down, I wrote right next to it like the time. So if I woke up at 7, how long will it take me to brush my teeth and make my bed? So technically after everything I've done and I get to start filming, I don't start filming till 12:30 p.m. And now that we're in winter, that only gives me 4 hours to film a video because it gets dark around 4 p.m. already. Sometimes like today I needed way more than 4 hours. This is all about trial and error. That's really helpful, so go and do that. Go to ChatGPT on Google, search that up and see what prompts it gives you and see if it resonates with you, because now that I'm looking at it, if I really want to make YouTube consistent, I have to put it first before any other of my needs. So let me go back and change it. Good thing I did it just in in pencil. ChatGPT really made me change my whole routine, but it's okay because I'm actually gonna film a video of me trying this new routine for an entire week. So if you have not yet subscribed and you're watching this video, subscribe right now. I love you forever, and comment down below as well. I'll love you forever as well times 2. Okay, I'm 100% officially done with my schedule. I'm not 100% done because I think I do want to add like some color at least, because I don't want it to faint, and this is like a morning routine that I really want to have hands on. So I think I'm gonna take a picture of it so I can have it like in my face all the time. So it had a bunch of things that I didn't even think of. Something I never ever do is like reach out to companies or to people for collabs. Like I never do that, and it was like at the end of the day, do that. And that's one thing I'm kind of scared. But you know, if you're scared to do something, it's a good sign. It's like, you know, we had to be uncomfortable in order to grow. So this is how long it is now, but it's basically a daily routine. It's not just a morning routine. Honestly, I like this more than just a regular morning routine, because I feel like you can have a good morning routine and then it stops there, and then you have a bunch of free time to be on your phone or do unproductive things. Like I honestly want to like throw away my phone. I want to delete all my apps because I'm honestly a phone addict. Like I'm so addicted to my phone and I hate it, and that's just how I've been since since day one, like since I got a iPod Touch, the ones with the silver mirror back. That's the one I started with, and no one really limited my time, but I don't blame them because who would have thought? Like, who would have thought that these were the consequences of technology, just having phone addicts? And I want to break that habit, and in order to break that habit, I need to have a jam-packed morning to night routine. I'm gonna add some color to this, but other than that, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow so we can get my closet looking good. Copy and paste your ChatGPT day in your life and let's follow it. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's now day 2 of trying to declutter my closet. It's just been gloomy and dark all day, and I don't really want to push this video another day. So I did show you guys this side of my closet last time, but I do want to show you guys this side. Let me show you guys up close and personal. I just been shoving everything random in here, but anyways, here I have all my workout clothes, all stuff all crammed, and here are my PJs. Also here are my jeans, and then just like pants. Now let me show you guys more up close and personal to this side. Everything is just really crammed. It's so crammed that I can barely open stuff. And here are all my jackets. Like, I really don't know the concept because I have jackets up here and then I have jackets down there, and I want everything to have its own location, so I'm not like having to search through every single clothing item to find something. So definitely we're starting right here. I think this is the easiest to organize since I have everything already like in categories. Till then, I'm just gonna organize everything here. Oh my god, these bow and tee leggings are so freaking cute. They're from Opali. The only thing is that if there's no line, it will give you like a diaper booty, and that's what it gives me, but I think it's still really, really cute. Like, I love how it fits my stomach. So I'm actually going to be selling this set. If you guys want to go check it out on my Depop, I'll have my Depop down below. These leggings are so cute. They're just so small on me. I never ever wore them. These ones do have a line in the butt, so it's not going to give you diaper booty. And then this is the top. The top is honestly what sold me, and the color. Both of them are size small. The top does fit me, but I would have loved it as a set. I'm also going to be selling this Lululemon sports bra, and it was just too tiny on me. I think this is like an extra small. The shelf is cleared. Now let me show you guys everything. Like, let me show you guys what we have going on. I actually decided that the Lululemon sports bra, I should just probably give it to my sister since it's so small. It probably fits her. And then there's like this shirt. It's like a sports bra shirt. I just want to see if those two fit her. This is everything I'm gonna sell, and then that's everything I'm keeping, which is basically everything. And then I have just a pile of things I don't want, but I'm mostly keeping everything because I'm a hoarder. Just kidding. I'm just that type of person that's like, you know, I might wear it. A part of me wants to go through that pile again and actually see what I've worn recently and what I have not worn recently. Well, actually, the thing is, I haven't really been going to the gym that much, so we'll leave that pile at that. My PJs, the ones that are not that cute, I'll give them away or repurpose them, whichever is more eco-friendly. If you guys have Netflix, I strongly recommend watching this documentary. I think it's called Consume. Go and watch it. It really talks about how everything we purchase and we give it away, or we end up throwing it away or donating it, a lot of it does not end up getting recycled or reused. It ends up being thrown away and being shipped to places like Thailand, or they get sent to poorer countries for the people to deal with it. And now there's like beaches filled with clothing items, with shoes. So that's why I'm very like picky on what I buy and also what I give away. Anyways, I'm gonna start putting everything back in and folding it nicely. Done with shelf number 1. This hat is so bomb. I'm from Chihuahua, by the way, guys. Chihuahua, Mexico. This bag is so cute, and I feel like it's getting a little squished. I've only used this bag one time. I might sell it. It's a collab with Telfar. It's so freaking cute, especially when you go like to a cabin trip. Look at how cute this is. Well, I love it like this. need to wear this bag more. I never wear it. Okay, so now it's time to rearrange these bad boys. Okay, I removed everything in the lower rack and look at how my closet looks down there. I have not seen my closet like this in like 2 years. I could not see any of this. I always had to like move my clothes. I just had to switch everything up here to the bottom rod. Baby, why are you in that small little box? She's so funny. Finally, I'm done. What do you guys think? I think this section is my favorite. Like, you cannot tell me this does not look rich or like feels rich. Not rich in the sense of like money, but rich in the sense of she has time to do this. This closet just gives, she loves herself. I put all my thicker jackets up here. Basically all my jackets, I put them up here. And over here, I put all my workout attires, like jackets. And down here is all my casual clothes and all my lighter stuff as well. Now for the other side. Let me show you guys up close and personal. Look at how cute this looks. This is my favorite part. I need to put lights up here. And everything looks so nice. So put together. So needed. This was much needed. Look at how cute everything looks. This is everything I'm going to donate, and my room is a little messy now. Finally, guys, we are done. I'm so tired. Even though my entire room is now messy, it was much needed. I have not organized my closet ever since I moved into my house. Like the day we moved in, my boyfriend built my closet and I just shoved everything in there, but I never color coded, and color coded just looks so nice. So 100% I recommend you guys to go and color code your closet if your closet looks anything like mine did before. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and leave a like and a comment down below if you also going to redo your closet, your drawers. I hope you guys also make your winter arc routine, because we're gonna do it together. So go do it. Don't fail me. I'm gonna go do it too. I'm not gonna fail you, I swear. Anyways, bye. Love you.